Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about unlocking one of the absolute best marketing tools out there for any business, that awesome 5-star Google review. And I'm going to show you the smartest and honestly, the simplest way to get a whole lot more of them. Okay, let's just dive right in.
If you're a business owner, you know this feeling all too well. You know you're providing a great service. You see your customers leaving happy. They loved what you did for them. But then you go check your Google business profile and crickets. It's just quiet. That gap, between all your happy customers and the actual reviews you have to show for it, that's what we're calling the Google review riddle.
I mean, that's the big question, right? It's so frustrating. You've already done the hard part. You delivered an amazing product or fantastic service. So why does asking for a simple review feel like you're asking for this huge, impossible favor that usually just gets ignored?
Well, here's the real secret. It's not that your customers aren't happy. The problem is friction. Just try to put yourself in their shoes for a second. Even if they absolutely love your business, they're probably not going to go home, remember to look you up online later, find your business, navigate to the right page, and then finally write a review. It's too many steps.
But what if you could just get rid of all those steps? Like completely erase them? What if you could close that gap in an instant? Well, that is exactly where our solution comes in. The simple, kind of elegant, and incredibly effective QR code.
So what is this thing really? Think of a review QR code as a direct portal. Your customer just points their phone's camera at it, and boom, they are instantly taken right to your Google review page. There's no searching, no fumbling around on your website, zero hassle. One scan, and they are in the perfect spot to tell everyone how great you are.
Just look at the difference here. The old way, the before, is basically a journey built on hope. You hope they'll remember to do it. You hope they can find you. It's loaded with friction. But the after column, that's a journey that takes seconds. They scan, the link opens instantly, they're on your review page, and they leave their feedback. All that friction just vanishes. And believe me, the results definitely follow. Now, I know this probably sounds fantastic, but you might be thinking, oh, this is going to be complicated to set up. Well, it's not at all. In fact, we can break it down into this super simple 3-step playbook that literally anyone can follow.
And here it is. It's just 3 simple things. First, you get your unique review link from Google. Second, you generate a QR code for it. And third, you share that code absolutely everywhere. Let's walk through each one really quick.
Okay, first things first, getting your link. All you have to do is search for your business on Google, go to your Google business profile, and find the button that says Get More Reviews. Google gives you a special direct link right there. Just click to copy it. And that's it. Step 1 is already done.
All right, let's move on to step 2, actually generating the code. So you'll take that link you just copied over to a QR code generator, and we're going to highlight easy codes here. You can sign up for a 30-day free trial. And what's really great is there's no credit card required. You just paste your Google review link right in and poof, your unique QR code is created instantly. It's seriously that fast.
And finally, we're at step 3. Download that QR code image. Now here's a crucial tip. Before you do anything else, test it. Pull out your own phone, scan it, and make sure it works perfectly. Once you've confirmed it's good to go, the sky's the limit. Put it on your business cards, on your receipts, on flyers, put a sign right on your checkout counter, stick it in your email signature. Get it out there.
Okay, so now you've got your code. But just having it isn't the whole story, right? Using it the right way is what really gets you the results. So let's cover 4 quick pro tips to turn that QR code into an absolute review-generating machine.
This really brings us to the number 1 most important rule, visibility. It's so simple. If your customers don't see the code, they can't scan it. So you've got to make it prominent, make it obvious, put it right where their eyes are going to land while they're with you or right after they've made a purchase.
So to wrap up the whole strategy, just remember these 4 key things. 1. Make sure the code is printed clearly, not too small or blurry. 2. Like we just said, put it in high traffic spots. 3. Add a little call to action next to it. Something simple like, how did we do? Scan here to leave a review. And 4. Every now and then, just give it a quick scan yourself to make sure the link is still working perfectly.
So, there you have it. The problem, the solution, and the exact playbook to put it all into action. You literally have everything you need right now to start turning those happy, silent customers into powerful public advocates for your business. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. This isn't just about collecting a bunch of stars on Google. It's about empowering your happiest customers to become your most authentic, most effective marketing channel.
Their words are so much more powerful than any ad you could ever buy.
You can get started on this right now. Just visit easycodes.pro/plan to generate your own code. The whole thing really only takes a few minutes. So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to get rid of that friction and finally let your customers do the talking?